I'm to share with you another journal that I've made, and this one is a traveller's notebook size vintage journal. We've got all sorts of things going on in here, and this one is really chunky. I've done some layering on the front cover. There's a butterfly, some of this dainty trim. I've put the word journal on here. The cardstock has been sewn onto coffee dyed cardstock, so it's nice and thick. That's the pattern on the back. There is eyelets and organza ribbon, 8 1/4 by 4 1/2, and 80 pages front and back. And like I said, it's jam-packed, this one. And obviously most of it is removable apart from the stuck down pockets. So I've used some digital papers from ARTYmaze, and it's from her Dragonfly Dreams. So I've used a few elements from that, and then I've just used all sorts of different things. So we have a little journaling card here, and a Tiffany & Co tag. Just making sure I'm in frame now. I made a little booklet with some scrap pieces of paper. Just these are all the bits that I cut off from doing other stuff, so I just got a big tub of that, so I need to start using that up, or I'll end up just with tons and tons of little bits of paper. We have another double journaling card here that you can write on, or you could make that into a little booklet if you wanted to. This will be listed in my shop for sale. Here is just a little trifold. I've done like the mini ones rather than the big ones, so done that. This was just in my big box of stash, so I popped that in there. You could pop photos, or just turn it into an envelope and pop things inside there. We've got a large tag. Haven't done any stenciling on the pages, but they are all shimmery. This is a pocket, and it's also a flip out, and this is inspired by Terri Woods. So the link for that will be below. If you can go over to Terri's channel, she's got quite a few tutorials on how to make different pockets from using some just like coffee dyed paper. So let's put all this back in, because I know when I don't, I always forget. And then if it's getting sold on, or people probably get journals turning up with things falling about all over the place. So that's why I put it all in. Got a doily, a ticket and a butterfly. Some edge punching, and like I said, the paper's all nice and shimmery. Got a paper bag, some digital ephemera from the old design shop. Here I just made an Edith Holden envelope, and then just stuck a double heart and the word journey on there. That just pops on there. Here, the paper clip. Actually, I'm going to take the paper clip off if I can. They're cluster paper clips, so like the little clusters that I showed you how to do the other day, inspired by ARTYmaze. I turned these ones into paper clips. Then this is just a napkin decoupaged onto just some white cardstock, and then it's been sewn, so it's just a really nice pretty picture there. And let me see if I can get this back on. There we go. And I'll put all this back, and that pops on there. We have some squared paper, some shimmer here, and some crocheted trim. More pages from ARTYmaze's Dragonfly Dreams. Pocket from Dragonfly Dreams. And we have a large tag here that just pops in there. We have an Edith Holden tag, and I just sewed some coffee dyed paper onto the back of that so that you could journal on that. I keep forgetting I've got a brand new tub of gesso, and I could have done that. I'm kind of a bit impatient when it comes to things drying, and I'd made such a mess today with pulling out stuff. It was just crazy. I had to keep cleaning up after myself, just looking for bits and bobs. Some more edge punching. This is an envelope, so you can pop something in there and you can write or decorate that. Here is some digital ephemera from the old design shop again, and this is another paper clip cluster, and that's the little Tiffany & Co coaster size I don't know what you'd call them, just coaster size digital prints. But what I done was I printed a few of them to the one page so that I got them that size, because I think they are roughly 4 by 4, if I'm correct. Tag that was already in my stash. This is made from ARTYmaze's collage sheets. Can't remember which one, whether it's 1 or 2. Some more writing space. Another digital from ARTYmaze. Here we have a Rita Donnelly flip up with a doily, a ticket and a butterfly with some bling in the middle. And then we just have a large tag. We have this journaling card here from Tsunami Rose. And this is from ARTYmaze's Dragonfly Dreams. Now I'm not sure if this is from the kit or she has got some freebie ones, but I can't remember if that is from that or the freebie. Little postcard there. And then this is just from, I don't know where I got that, but it's a receipt of some sort from Surrey County Council here in England. I actually don't know where I got that from, where that originates from, like what digital kit. Can't remember. It's not one of mine. Some more splodgy shimmery bits. Paper bag, some more the Old Design Shop, and is this another paperclip cluster with a napkin that's been just decoupaged onto white card and sewn, so you can write on the back of that, and that's the cluster. I wasn't quite sure what I didn't want to put these on the pockets again like I have been doing, so the paper clips were a bit of an afterthought. But it's a really good idea. You can do lots of different things with them clusters. Lots of journaling space. Another cluster here. And another decoupaged napkin. Just a little bit of ink there. Oops. The other side of the paper bag, which is open. Another Rita Donnelly flip up with a doily, ticket and a butterfly and some bling. And then we have another tag. These have just been coffee dyed. They've got shimmer to them and stenciled. And we have some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, as is this. This is from ARTYmaze. And another little postcard. Oops, I'll just set that way. That's really shimmery, that one. Got another Edith Holden envelope that I've made. That's just been sewn, and 2 hearts and the word memories. And that's not a cluster. Here is the other side of the envelope. I had to trim a little bit off, so I've just glued it down that side because it was a little bit too big sticking out. And obviously it's got the window on this side. Another pocket. Large tag. Another Edith Holden tag with the coffee paper on the back so that you can write on it. And we have a postcard here. And a little piece of ephemera. That's from Tsunami Rose. And the little double mason jar actually matches the pocket. Some more of the dragonflies. Another cluster paper clip up here. Hope you can see that. And another decoupaged napkin just on some cardstock, and you can write on the back, and that's a really pretty one. So these napkins, actually, they were from, I think most of the napkins that I used were gifted to me by Terri Wood. Pocket, some shimmer on here, another cluster paperclip, and this is another Terri Woods inspired double pocket flip out. Probably just jolted the camera there. Oh, it's a little bit glued there. There we go. So all that to write on. And we have a large tag. Another one of these little flip outs. They're quite sweet, the little ones. We have another one of these little booklets made from scrap pieces of paper. So you can do lots of little journaling in there. We have another little double journaling card. That just pops in there. And another Tiffany & Co tag that goes there. And then this holds all of that together. If I can do that. Have I done it? No, I keep sliding it in between. There we go. It's because I can't see. Oh, I'll do that in a minute because I can't bend round to see it. So that is the journal. Like I said, it will be listed in my shop. I'll put the links below. If you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.